Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday, May 12th. This is going to be another short video. I just want to show you that I posted another thing in Google Classroom to work on your argumentation skills. It's just a simple question: what is the best movie? So you'll see that argumentation activity, what is the best movie? I'm going to try to post at least one of these kinds of questions each week. And I want you to avoid logical fallacies, which we've discussed already, and personal opinions to form a short argument as to what is the best movie. Give at least 2 supporting points, and then remember you can use logos, pathos, and or ethos when forming your argument. And I just want at least like 5 to 8 sentences. So, for instance, if you were to say, I think the best movie is Beetlejuice. Well, first, try to avoid using I. So Beetlejuice is the best movie because it has great action scenes and was rated very high in the box offices when it was released. And then use those 2 points to write a couple more sentences supporting it. For instance, if it's the box office thing, hey, it's the best movie because it did so well in the box office when it was released, better than any movie or whatnot. You can easily Google that and be like, well, it stayed on the top of the list in the box office for like 3 weeks or 4 weeks, and this is from this article. And you don't have to cite it or anything, just say, in an article by so-and-so, it says that the box office, it was in the top list of the box office for 3 weeks straight, and that supports why it's the best movie. And if it's because of the action scenes, well, give me a reference to a couple of the action scenes. So yes, that, and I will have that due for Monday. So Monday is May 18th? Yes, May 18th. So yeah, that is due to Google Classroom on Monday. So again, it's right here, and it is due on the 18th. And don't forget that your this or that activity is due tomorrow, and then your reading log is due on Friday. So please continue to work on those during the week as you are working again on this argument activity. 5 to 8 sentences. No personal opinion, so don't use the word I. And avoid using the logical fallacies. So if you need a review, go back to the PowerPoint that we went over and review those logical fallacies. Alright, that's it for today. Have a good rest of your day. If you have any questions or concerns, don't forget to email me, especially if you want to set up a virtual meeting. My schedule is pretty free, so please just email me saying, hey, Ms. McCarthy, can you walk me through this? Even if it's something from last unit too, if you guys are still struggling to get your outlines and or papers done for your literary analysis, and you want me to walk you through your story, and you want some one-on-one time analyzing that story with me, please email me. We'll set up a meeting. I'd love to chat. All right. Have a good day.